Looking for the best CD player in 2025 to enhance your music experience? Whether you're an audiophile or just love the warmth of physical media, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best CD players of 2025, featuring high-resolution sound, advanced DACs, and modern connectivity options. From premium build quality to immersive audio performance, these players offer the perfect balance of classic and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned to find the perfect CD player for your setup, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more audio gear recommendations. Number 3. Marantz CD6007. The Marantz CD6007A is a high-fidelity CD player designed for audiophiles seeking superior sound quality and refined performance. As an evolution of the CD6006, this model delivers enhanced components and an upgraded AK4490 DAC, ensuring a more detailed and immersive listening experience. One of its key strengths is the HDAM-SA2 circuitry, which reduces distortion and enhances dynamic range, resulting in a clear, warm, and well-balanced sound. The CD6007A supports CD, CDR/RW, and USB playback, with compatibility for high-resolution formats such as FLAC, WAV, ALAC, and DSD. For those who enjoy headphone listening, the dedicated high-current headphone amplifier with adjustable gain provides a rich and dynamic output. The addition of a selectable digital filter allows users to customize the sound signature to their preference. Built with a rigid chassis and improved power supply, the player ensures stability and reduced vibrations. The gold-plated RCA outputs further enhance connection quality. Overall, the Marantz CD6007A is a top-tier CD player offering outstanding audio performance, premium build quality, and versatile playback options, making it an excellent choice for serious music lovers. Number 2. Denon DCD900NE. The Denon DCD900NE is a high-quality CD player designed for audiophiles who demand exceptional sound performance and versatility. Featuring advanced AL32 processing plus, it enhances digital audio playback, reducing distortion and delivering a smooth, detailed, and natural sound. This player supports CD, CDR/RW, and USB playback, allowing high-resolution formats such as FLAC, WAV, ALAC, and DSD. This makes it a great choice for both traditional CD lovers and those with digital music collections. The high-precision DAC ensures accurate signal conversion, providing a rich and immersive listening experience. Designed with durability in mind, the DCD900NE features a vibration-resistant chassis, minimizing interference and enhancing clarity. The Pure Direct mode disables unnecessary circuits for a cleaner audio signal. Additionally, coaxial digital output ensures seamless integration with high-end amplifiers and audio systems. With its superior sound quality, advanced processing, and solid build, the Denon DCD900NE is a fantastic CD player that delivers audiophile-grade performance, making it a great investment for serious music lovers. Number 1. Technics SAC600. The Technics SAC600 is a premium all-in-one network CD receiver, combining elegant design with high-quality audio performance. Designed for audiophiles and modern music enthusiasts, it delivers clear, detailed, and dynamic sound thanks to its fully digital amplification and advanced signal processing. This versatile system supports CD playback, FM/DAB+ radio, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and high-resolution streaming services, ensuring seamless access to various music sources. The built-in Geno engine, jitter elimination and noise shaping optimization, enhances clarity and precision, while the LAPC, Load Adaptive Phase Calibration, optimizes speaker performance for a well-balanced soundstage. The SAC600 features HDMI ARC connectivity, making it an excellent choice for integrating with a TV. Additionally, the USB, optical, and coaxial inputs provide further flexibility. The sleek, minimalist design blends well with any interior, and its compact form factor makes it ideal for small to medium-sized rooms. Overall, the Technics SAC600 is a high-performance, feature-rich system offering superior sound quality, modern connectivity, and stylish design, making it a top choice for music lovers. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 5 best CD players of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite CD player or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.